It's June 2012, and I'm going to show you why I think I'm in the top tier of the bird whistlers in the world. Not the best in the universe. I don't want to claim that. Anyhow, here you go. Quick little chirp here, nice and slow. Okay, that's really slow, nice and easy to get a grasp on. Watch this. I'll show you close. Okay, it's coming through that spot. All right, ready? Here's a rapid fire. All right, so there goes that. I'm gonna try to do a whipper or chickadee first, and then a whippoorwill. Get the idea? And then I'm gonna do finger in the mouth, kind of a little song ditty, but I'm tone deficient, so don't quote me on if it's anything. There you go. Little crazy, I know. Too much time on my hands. I'm glad you got to see this. Thanks for viewing.